Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 16. No formalities, please. Part 1, page number 35. So now we are going to start from first paragraph. The students of class 4 greeted their teacher, Mrs. Desai. Before they sat down, it was time for their English lesson. Shall we bring out our Bal Bharati textbook? Teacher asked Shruti. Not now, said the teacher. We are going to learn letter writing today. Some special types of letter. Come here, Javed and Nisha. Please distribute these notebooks. And while they gave out the notebooks, continued Mrs. Desai, let me give you some good news. The students were all ears now. Their teacher announced with a smile new arrivals in the library and a plenty of them. Storybook of every kind, informative books with lovely pictures, book of puzzles, jokes, all have been displayed in the library, so you will know now which ones to ask for the next time you are in the library. Oh, lovely! I can hardly wait, were some of the eager responses to this piece of news. All were excited except one. What's the use? Complained Felix. We have only one library period in a week. We hardly for half an hour too. Just when the story getting interesting, we have to leave the book and go back to the class. Now, Varsha joined in to say, for 2 weeks I have been waiting to know what happened to the Pied Piper of Hamelin. There was a holiday last Thursday and we missed the library period. Mrs. Desai realized what her students said was allow a home issue facility for class 4th. After all, they were big enough to look after the books they took home. Hey, wait, thought Mrs. Desai. There is a better way to do it. Why not let the students themselves write a letter of request to the principal? After all, that was what she planned to teach that day, how to write polite and formal letters. What an opportunity, a good subject for a formal letter, and of course, a real situation would make the learning more effective and interesting. When Mrs. Desai suggested this to her class, they were very excited. Without losing much time, Mrs. Desai began to teach her class now to write a formal letter. The sender's address and the date should be written in the upper right corner of the page, she taught. The next step is to write the name or post of the receiver near the left margin, then write his or her address below that, and after that you must write the subject of the letter in short below the receiver's address. She further instructed. That's something new, remarked Sharon. We do not mention a subject in our friendly letters, do we? Of course not, said Mrs. Desai. What do we do next, teacher? Shruti wanted to know. You address the receiver writing Dear Sir or Dear Madam. Remember, the rest of the letter also should be written in polite language. Right the point. Right to the point, Mrs. Desai explained. And should we end it with your lovingly? Asked Renew. Oh no, said teacher. You can write that to your friends or parents or even to me. But when you are writing as a student to the principal, you may write your faithfully or sincerely. Do not forget to thank the receiver appropriately. Before you close the letter, come on, now let's draft this letter together. After quite a few errors, cancellations, and changes, here's the letter class 4 wrote to their principal. It was written very neatly. Now on next page, we are going to see the letter. See. प्रगति विद्यालय पुस्तक मार्ग वचनपुर 6 July 2014 to the principal Pragati Vidyalaya Pustak Marg Vachanpur. Subject Request for home issue facility. Dear Madam, the principal is female. Dear Madam, we the student of class 4 have a request. Our English teacher Mrs. Desai has informed us about many new books that have arrived in our school library. We are eager to read them. However, it is not possible for us to finish reading a book during the library period, which is only once a week. May we have your kind permission, Madam, to take the books for a home reading? We promise that we shall take utmost care of the books and return them on time. Yours faithfully, all students of class 4th. So as an activity, you have to write this letter in your notebook. Understood? Thanks for the watching video.